Attention friends from Orbinus, today we will show you LED black technology that subverts your configuration. And this is 1920iP3 indoor portrait screen you have never seen before. This is not ordinary LED display, but the face magician that can dance and transform. Starting at the first sight, the 16mm unchasing body is thinner than your laptop, and 2 girls can carry it with the weight of 40 kilograms. The LED screen is available in black and white colors. It's a high-end picture frame in a luxury store and turned into the interior quarters in technology exhibition halls. What's more amazing that we already have supplements before shipment, and all you to do is just plug in, unpack, and amazing the audience. Now the installation of traditional post-LED screen takes half a day. EA1920iP3 says no. Okay, look at here, 1 base and 2 brackets and 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces EA640iP2 series LED screen as easy as building Lego. His comes point, these 4 are not ordinary 360-degree wheels rotation and universe movement, and push it away, you can move it with the flow of people. You need to remove the wood and the screws for maintenance. That's so original. The magnetic opens is as strong as flat, and the 40 module is put out in 3 seconds. Okay, and this the full front maintenance design allows you to handle everything when standing in front of the screen, and you can maintain it elegant even when wearing high heels. The control method is smarter to have a solid expression on your phone. Bluetooth picture in the second. Okay. With the swipe iPad, the 4 pieces screen can share in the same time. Not have a computer with you, just put a USB driver and read it instantly. Okay, it will be compatible with Android and Apple. Do you think that both screen can only have 1 screen? It can realize a large LED screen. Okay, its LED screen can use as a large screen or played separately. EA1920iP3 is not a code machine, but the business partner that activates space. Don't you have such a screen in your store? Just click on the homepage and contact us. See you, bye bye.